Official size foldable washer set lets you take your game with you. Collapsible Fold and Go design makes this a fun, portable game you can play almost anywhere. Includes steel core washers with built-in bottle openers. 3 red and 3 blue. Convenient carry bag is included, making it easy to travel with and store anywhere in your home. Encourages active play. Create memories with family and friends that will last a lifetime with this complete washer set from Franklin Sports. Washers is a classic game that people of all ages can enjoy. Top reviews from the United States. Get up and play. It's summer and I refuse to let it go by with my family visiting on the weekends and everyone sits around playing on their phones. Grrrr, I am guilty too, but I wanted to find some fun games to play outside. What started out a beautiful day quickly went bad with thunderstorms, so we ended up playing in the garage. My sons, aged 26 and 30, love the game as well. It's quick and easy to assemble. Word of caution, the washers got a little beat up from the garage floor, so we put down small rugs and it solved the problem. Love the game.